Bye bye từ từ cái răng này, cái răng cái cửa dính nhét cái thật là từ răng.
All right, so Lynn, let's do reading and writing. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's do the first reading and writing activity. Lynn, in the first part of the reading and writing activity, you're going to look at the picture, read a sentence, you put a tick if the sentence and the picture are the same, and put cross if they are not the same. For example, Lynn, number 1, this is a baby. Look at the picture. Is it a baby?
Yes.
Yes, so you put a tick. How about the second picture? This is a boat. Is the picture a boat?
No.
No, so you put X. Okay, Lynn? Please answer question number 1. Okay, what's question? What is sentence number 1, Lynn? Please read. This is
motor car.
what's the answer? It's cross. Again, it's
cross.
okay. Let's check. Very good, Lynn. Why number 1 is a cross? Because why it's cross? Because
In the cross is a bag.
okay, it's a bicycle, not a motorbike. Okay, okay, Lynn. You answer number 2, 3, 4, and 5. Oh.
Something else.
Okay, Lynn, please read question number 2 or sentence 2, sorry.
It's church.
Okay, this is, please read.
This is a lamb.
What's the answer? It's
Church.
a tick. Number 3.
This is an eraser.
What's the
This is a
answer?
tick.
A tick. 4.
This is a dog.
What's the answer?
This is crop.
It's a cross. 5.
This is a roller. This is tick.
Okay, let's check now, Lynn. Number 2, this is a lamp. The answer is tick. Correct. Next, number 3, this is an eraser. Tick again. 4, this is a door. Cross. Correct. 5, this is a ruler. It's a tick. Very good, Lynn. Perfect. Congratulations, Lynn. You understand it. Great work. Okay, Lynn, let's go now to part 2 of the reading and writing. You're going to look at the picture, write yes if the picture, or if the sentence is in the picture, write no if it's not. Example, Lynn, the girl is reading a book. Look at the girl. Is she reading a book?
Yes.
Yes, so you put yes. Next, number 2, the lizard, oh no, there is a lizard on the mat. Is there a lizard on the mat?
No.
No. So what is on the mat? There is a?
This is
What is that on the mat? It's a spider again. It's a
fire.
Yeah, very good, Lynn. So, Lynn, please answer questions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go, Lynn. Okay, finish.
Yes.
Okay, next. Please read number 1.
The boy is sitting in an armchair. Yes.
2.
The frog has lost a guitar. Yes.
Next. 3.
There is a doll on the television. The cat under the sofa. No.
Next.
The girl is wearing a purple shirt.
Okay, the answer is yes. Okay, let's check. Number 1, Lynn. Number 1, the boy is sitting in an armchair. The answer here is no. Look up there, Lynn. The chair is not sitting on the armchair, but instead, it is sitting on the chair. Can you see it? It's on the chair. Number 2, the frog has got a guitar. The answer is yes, you're correct. Number 3, there is a doll on the television. The answer is yes, correct. 4, the cat under the sofa. That's no, correct. Where's the cat? Where's the cat, Lynn? The cat is
The cat is on the sofa.
on the sofa, correct. Number 5, the girl is wearing a purple shoes. The answer is yes. Very good, Lynn. Only one mistake, so you have to be careful. Okay. Now, here we go. Lynn, I have here this one. So here, Lynn, I have here a picture and the word, letters, okay? What you're going to do, Lynn, is to arrange the letters to form a word. Example, C-E-R-I. If you're going to arrange it, we form rice. The picture, there is a rice, okay? So,
Okay.
Lynn, please answer number 1. Okay, what's the answer number 1, Lynn?
Meat.
It's meat. M-E-A-T. Let's check. Very good. It's a meat. Okay. Very good. Okay, there you go. Number 2. Okay, now here, Lynn, I have here the following. I have 2, 3, 4, and 5. Go.
Teacher, finish.
Okay, please read your answer.
Carrot.
Carrot again.
Carrot.
Carrot. Next.
Potato.
Next.
Tomato.
Tomato and
Chicken.
chicken. Okay, let's check. Number 2, we have there is carrot, correct. Next, potato, correct. Next, tomato, correct. Number 5, we have is chicken. Great work. Very good, very good. Okay, there you go, Lynn. You did great in the reading and writing because you were able to get good score or even perfect score in the given activity. Very good. Good job, Lynn, for today. You were able to do the task well. Okay. So, Lynn, that's all for today since it's already time. And I'll see you again next time. Goodbye, Lynn. See you next time.
Goodbye, teacher.
Again, goodbye.